Hey, what's up guys, it's Miniature Bro here, and today I'm going to be playing Prehistoric Worm Deep Sea. Let's get started. So I'm going to be just doing a little playthrough of this game, so comment, like, and subscribe if you like this video. So, we have to kill cruise ships and people to progress in this game, so just... Alright, we're in the game. First thing I notice, I'm a fucking worm, dude. Killing boats. This game reminds me of that one game on Congrade where you're a giant worm and you can grow. But there's no growing in this game. It's all just eating people. It's kind of gonna be boring after a while. Killed a cruise ship, motherfucker. Oh, come on, I almost missed it. There we go. Alright, so this game's going good so far. And I know eventually there's gonna be police and stuff, so we gotta kill all the threats. So let's get going. Getting that plane. There we go. 2 people eating. Cruise ship, motherfucker. Gotta kill these shitty guys. Kill this police boat. Let's also kill that helicopter. Damn, motherfucker. Let's also kill that plane too. Come on, got this. There we go. Just how it nosedives and just completely rams into the water. Ah, I almost got the plane. This is the time to charm. Damn it. This time I get. We still got that. Okay, so. Oh, get out of the water. There's a giant worm. No shit. Okay, so. I got 2 badges right now, so that means I'm about to get 3 badges and more security forces will come. Is that fucking VTOL jet? No, not much. Not me. This guy. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm noticing that I'm not getting the first stop. I wonder why that is. It's kind of like cruise ship right up here. What? No. Okay, so let's get this motherfucker here. Oh, kill a bird too. Doesn't matter anyway. Good job, man. Oh crap, it has to happen. Gotta get out. I'm gonna take shore, motherfucker. Got the help hitting me. Stop hitting my butthole. Fuck, I died. Box. Right, so it's one game. Let's just continue playing. Hey, let's try some of these names. The box swipe. What instructions? Why to dodge the incoming rockets? You can navigate by pressing the arrow keys. Cool beans. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh god. These controls are shit. Max uses stuff. Alright, good doing good so far. Fuck. Oh. Well, that was fun. Alright, let's see if we have any quests. Destroy 18 cruise ships. Destroy 12 airplanes, eat 36 birds. Got a lot of things to do. Okay, let's get these cards. And look on the beach, we swear, no sharks, bullshit. I'm a fucking rabbit. Alright, let's just start off with strategy, bro. Bitch. Let's try to go through there. Oh, I just barely applying off. So good. Just barely applying to get the airplane. Please, not me. Bullshit, bitch, I'm getting you. No good. Triple kill. Double kill. Single kill. Single kill, get mad, just kidding. Settle down, there's no room in the water. Bullshit. Whoa. Okay, we're doing good so far. Got a cruise ship. Just gotta get that cruise ship. There we go. Kill these boats. This game really reminds me of that Conway game named Centipede or something. But this game's pretty good on its own. I like the 8-bit style of it too. Gotta get my boat. There, let's get out of the water. Should've done that before. That makes me feel like God or something. Damn it. It's not people. Boat boot. Not a boat boot. True boat boot. Got boat boot. And yeah. Okay. So this is a really good game. You can check it out in the App Store or the Google Play Store at Prehistoric World EP, and it's pretty good. Yeah, you can kill people, call me cool if you want to. Cruise ship. Frets swimming at me. That's the one, there's tons of frets. I download it. Do you know? Let's go see what's over here. I'm gonna be a killer. But get out here. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, just please leave a like. Subscribe.